Video. Good evening, guys. Online student, please check your audio and video.
This meeting is being recorded.
Online students, please check your audio and video. Audio good, no video. Okay, video will come, guys. Don't worry. All good now? Okay, fine. Tell me, total how many important repositories are there in Spring Data JPA? 3. Raju, could you say? 3 are there. What are those? Arey, what happened to video? Video is coming, guys. పాత మీటింగ్ క్లోజ్ చేయలేదా? Yeah, total how many repositories are there? 3 are there. Crude repository, paging and sorting repository, and JPA repo. In that one, how many are common repositories? 2 are there. What are those? Crude repository and paging and sorting repository are the common. Common means they are common for both SQL and NoSQL database software. Are you able to see my video, my dears? Not you, Meera. Arey, what happened? Permission wall వైపు. Okay, let's see. Yeah, today we are going to discuss which repository? Paging and sorting. Let's try to understand. Sorting means sorting the records. Sorting the records by using some column value, ascending, descending, that one. Pagination means when table is having huge number of records, okay. When table is having huge number of record, it allows us to display record page by page. Per page 3 records, per page 4 records, like Google search results, guys. Though 1,000 records comes, it will display what? 10 records each time, right? Though 200 records come, it will display 5 records in each page. So that is called what? Pagination, guys. So in one repository, we have methods for sorting. We have method for displaying huge number of records page by page. Okay, guys. Child repository of crude repository in 2.x. Having methods to select retrieve records by applying sorting and what? Pagination activity. Sorting takes place in the following order. Special characters first, numbers next, alphabets last. In Spring Boot 3.x, paging and sorting repository as in what? Independent repository. That means it is not having any link with what? Crude repository. Is it having any link with crude repository, guys? No. In 2.x, this is the hierarchy order. First JPA repository extends from what? Paging and sorting repository extends from what? Crude repository that implements what? A repository interface. Definitely implements what, guys? A repository interface. In 2.x, paging and sorting repository extending from crude repository. How many methods are there? 2 methods. That's the source code, guys. In 3-point text, it is directly extending from repository interface. It is an independent interface extending from repository. No link with CRUD repository. So in 2-point text of Spring Data JPA, if you want to develop custom repository, take a repository, extend from what? Extend from what? Paging and sorting repository, indirectly it extend from CRUD repository. But in 3-point text, if you want to work with the two repositories, your interface should extend from CRUD repository separately, paging and sorting repository separately, because there is no relation at all. Are you getting my point? Yes. Control plus shift plus C to search and get source code of given class. See, class is there in editor. You select the class, if F3 source code will come. But that class is not typed in any editor of Eclipse. But I want to see the source code. Then what should I do? Control plus shift plus T. For example, this is the situation. No source code is there. Our paging and sorting repository is not typed anywhere so far. But I want to see it's a source code. Then what should I do? Control plus shift plus T. What is there? Paging and sorting repository. Say okay. It is directly extending from repository interface now, my dear. Yes, that's great. In that one, how many methods are there? Two are there. One is a find all, other one is find all. Find all sort object, find all pageable object. Find all sort object, find all pageable object. Right? Okay. Look at the hierarchy in 3-point text. Repository, CRUD repository, paging repository. Okay. Separate JPA repository and Mongo repository. The hierarchy is little different or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Okay, first of all, we'll go for sort object, guys. Find all with a sort. That means take sorting object. So in this sort object, you have to tell the one or more property names based on which you want to sort. Plus, you have to specify ascending order and descending order. You have to specify it should be sorted. They should be sorted either in what? Ascending order or in descending order. Right, guys? Retrieves all the records of DB table either in ascending or in descending order specified through sort object. Sort object contains the one or more properties and the order of sorting, ascending or descending. Sort dot direction dot ascending. Sort is equal to sort dot by. Come on. It's like order by. It's like order by class now, boss. Sort dot direction dot ascending on which property? Doctor name property. Sort one is equal to sort dot by. Sort dot direction dot descending. How many properties? Two property. Doctor name and doctor ID. Descending order on doctor name, doctor ID properties data. Varrox representing what? Property names. Varrox representing what? Property names. Okay. Sort is a class, direction is a enum. So direction is the nested enum inside the sort class. There, descending, ascending are there. Okay, first sort, try to sort by doctor name. If two doctors are having same name, then it brings what into picture? Doctor ID into picture. It brings what into picture, guys? Doctor ID into picture. Very easy one, guys. Not a problem. Okay. You know that Varrox is main. In one method declaration, how many Varrox we can take, guys? One Varrox. Only one Varrox. That should be taken as last method, my dear. That must and should be taken as last method or not, guys? Compulsory should be taken as what? Last method. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Okay. Must and should be taken as what? Last method. Okay. Here is what? File. Tell me next one. Other Spring Starter project. What project? Spring Starter project. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Spring hmm, boot JPA pros. How much? 02. Boot JPA pros 02. What is there? Paging and sorting repository. Paging and sorting repository. That's great. Okay, everything is same, guys. Say next. This is my Spring Data JPA. This is my Aracle driver. Who knows? I may change to MySQL. Better to go for. I want getter setter method. That's why Lombok one I am using. I think these are sufficient, guys. Say next. Save finish. Okay. See, it's all about select operation. Better to work with existing data, my dear. So that's why let's use existing repository, existing model class. And application.properties also we can take existing one. But by keeping newcomers or people forget to add JDBC. Why JDBC? JPA we have added now. Nirmal Maharana, did you practice first application? Now I am doubting you. In the first application, what we have to added? JPA starter, JDBC starter. In many project JDBC starter because that time we don't know what is JPA. But now JPA starter is more than sufficient. Fine, whatever it is. Okay, let it be. Here is the story, boss. Okay, actually I can copy paste, guys, but the people who missed first application development, keeping in mind, I'm again adding the properties one by one. Okay, data source configuration. First, data source configuration. Spring dot, data source dot, driver hyphen class hyphen name. Aracle dot, JDBC dot, Aracle driver. Okay. Next, guys. Spring dot, data source dot, Spring dot, data source dot. What is there? What is there? URL. JDBC colon, Aracle colon, thin, at the rate, localhost colon, 1521, 1521 colon, exe. Spring dot, data source dot, username, system. Spring dot, data source dot, password. What is there? Tiger. Password tiger. Yes, guys. Tell me. Hibernate JPA properties. Hibernate JPA properties. Tell me. Spring dot JPA dot database platform. Array, where is this? JPA spell mistake. Database platform. org dot hibernate dot dialect dot Aracle dialect. Spring dot JPA dot DDL auto update. Spring dot JPA dot show hyphen SQL true. Show hyphen SQL true, guys. Is that right? Yes. This is my application dot properties. That's good. Yeah. Let's take some copy paste of the packages. Okay. Actually, I can develop, but I don't want to waste my time and your time. Entity package, repository package. I'm copying, guys. Right. Same paste. Same entity class, same repository, but repository I have to modify a little bit. Entity class, not even single change, guys. Everything is same. Okay. Let it be. A repository, guys. Already it is extending from crude repository. Here is my word. Paging and sorting repository. What repository is paging and? Yeah. What is the entity class? Doctor. What is their entities? Entity class is a doctor. This is what? Entities. Okay, that's great. Public interface iDoctor repository extends what? Crude repository. Doctor, integer, paging and sorting, boss. Super, guys. That's great. This is my doctor. This is my com.nt repository application. Say next, say next, say finish. This is my entity, guys. This is my repository. This is my application.properties file. Fine. Let us design method of service interface nicely, boss. I should be in a position to start with given one property, given two property, three property. So I should be in position to pass any number of properties. For that, we have to use what? String array. Nothing but varrox support we have to take or not, guys. What support, guys? Varrox support we have to take. Getting my point there. Varrox nothing but internally array only, na boss. Okay. Super. Right. Com dot nt dot. Tell me. Com dot nt dot repository. Service. We'll take service. Com dot nt dot service, guys. Right click new interface. Right click new interface. Tell me here what is there? I doctor repository. Oh, sorry. I doctor management service. I doctor management service. That's fine. I doctor management service. Tell me. Public iterable only because basic return type of that method is iterable. What is there? Doctor. Okay. Show doctors. Okay, guys. Show doctors as sorted. Show doctors as sorted. First, Boolean. True means ascending order. False means descending order. Boolean ascending order. True means ascending order. False means descending order. Right, boss? Okay. Show doctor. Then what is string three dots properties? String three dots properties. Control plus shift plus O. Public iterable doctor show doctors as sorted. Boolean ascending order string three dots properties. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Right click, next class. Doctor management service IMPI. Add. What is this? Eye doctor management service. What is there, guys? Eye doctor management service. At the rate service. What is there? Doc service. At the rate service, doc service. Okay. Public iterable doctor show doctors as sorted. Boolean ascending order string properties. Okay. First of all, I am injecting the repository. Eye doctor repository. What is there? Doc repo. That's good. At the rate auto void injection is done. Before calling that find all with the sort object, first of all, I have to create sort object now, boss. Yes, create a sort object. Sort is equal to, what is equal to? Sort is equal to, sort by, sort by. Now listen, if ascending order question mark, if that is true, if ascending order is true, okay, then what I want to do, sort dot direction dot ascending. Otherwise, sort dot direction dot descending. What is there, guys? Props. This is my sort object, my dear. Come on, everyone. Sort is equal to sort by. If ascending order is true, ascending. Otherwise, descending. That's great. Okay, guys. Invoke. Fetch the objects. List. What is there? List doctor, iterable doctor, your choice. Iterable doctor. IT is equal to doc repo dot find all sort object. And if you pass one property based on one property, it will sort. If you pass two properties based on two properties, it will sort, guys. Okay. Right. Iterable doctor IT. Here again, what is there? IT is there. Here again, what is there, guys? IT is there. Okay, that's great. Iterable doctor IT. Doctor report dot find all sort. Written IT. This is done, guys. This is done and dusted. This is my application dot properties, my dear. Come on. This is my service. Oh, okay. This is my repository. This is my entity. This is my entity. This is my main class. Okay, I think instead of main, nowadays no one is using. It's better to test everything through runner support now, boss. Let's test everything through runner support. New, what is there? Package. com dot nt dot, what is there? Runners. Com dot nt dot runners. Okay, fine. New class. What's the class, guys? New class. Tell me, what is the one we have to pass here? What is the one we have to pass here? Some name. Paging and sorting repository. Test runner. Paging and sorting repository. Test runner. Okay. What's the interface I should take, guys? Okay. Command line run. Let me inject what is there in that. Add unimplemented methods. @component. That's great. Private. What is there? Private. What is there? Doctor management service. Doctor management service. Doc service. @auto. That's good. That's really good. Tell me next one. We have to invoke the methods, my dear. Okay, what are the property names in doctor class? Let me check. This is my doctor.java. What are the property names we got? Doctor name and address. Doctor name and address. Okay. Yeah, here is my what? Try block. Iterable doctor IT is equal to. Otherwise, instead of doing this hangama, we can do like this. Where is this? Doc service dot. Okay. Show doctors as sorted. I want to get in ascending order. True. Based on which property? First, we'll see on single property only, guys. Okay. D name property. Property name, not the column names we have to pass. D name per each. Then you have that returns list iterable object. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. That's good. Here is my catch block now, my dear. Exception E dot print stack trace. End of the main method. End of the class. End of the main method. End of the class. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, boss. Okay. Fine, boss. Paging and sorting repository test runner com.nt. That's good. Okay, now shall we run the application now? So first of all, what I do is I'll try to open SQL developer here. SQL developer. I think a lot of duplicate records will be there as for my knowledge, because we run the same application for multiple times, right? We'll try to modify and we'll see what data, what best data we can pull out. Here are my tables, guys. Here are my tables. What is there? JPA underscore doctor. JPA underscore doctor. Oh, only these records only there. Why so? Maybe we moved to MySQL very fastly. Okay. So here Rajesh, here Suresh, here Nagesh, here Vizak, here Vizak, here Delhi. Here is what? Delhi. Again Delhi. Here is my what? Cardio. Instead of cardio, what we take, guys? Instead of cardio, we'll take ortho. Ortho. Next, ortho. Here is what? Neuro. Neuro. Okay. Here what? Then what is there? So many sections are there now, guys. Ortho, neuro, dentist, dental, dental, mental. Okay. Fine. I think we covered a number of things. Here also we go for 9,100, 8,000, 19,000, whatever it is. Some 5,000. Some 5,000. Say refresh. Say okay. These are the various sections that we are having, guys. That's great. These are the various sections that we are having or not, my dear. No doubt. That's great, guys. JPA underscore doctor, guys. This is JPA underscore doctor. It's up to you. Now we have a data, we have a list data, and we have given single property as of now. Let's see, right click, run as a Java application. Simply I'm saying what? Run as a Java application. Total how many records are there, guys? Nagesh, Raja, Rajesh, Suresh. They are coming or not, guys? First Nagesh, then R, then S. Ascending order they are coming. Okay, maybe if you give in alphabet A, then only you will feel good. Huh? Okay. Amar. What is there? Amar. Say okay. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. First, Amar has come now, my dear. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now, I want to see in descending order, boss. We have designed method. If I pass the false, it will be ready for descending order or not, guys. Okay. I don't write anything. Just write false. Right click, run as a Java application. Yeah, first Rajesh, listen, why E first? Because all are same, E bigger one. Okay, then R, N, A, descending order it is happening or not there. And I don't want to go by single property. I want to go by multiple property. When the issue comes, if two doctors are having same name, right? Okay, suppose this doctor name is also Amar Boss. Okay, then I have to sort by using another, this one boss. One is dental fellow, one is what? Ortho. One is what? Ortho. Okay, fine. What we do is, one is dental fellow, one is what? Ortho. So let's see how to do that work. Paging and sorting repository runner, that's okay. Eye doctor repository, that's go, okay. Boot data JPA, this one, guys. Paging and sorting repository test runner. Here, what is the one we are passing, guys? What's the one we are passing? False or nona, true na? False on. Okay, I'll pass what? True or false. That's not a big. True means ascending. But if two doctors are having same name, I want to take the decision based on another property. What is the another property? Expert specialization. Here, what is the property name, guys? Expert. Okay, voice and screen problem. Online students, are you facing the problem? Or only one, two people are facing the problem? Online student, is everything good? Or are you getting audio and video problem? All clear. No problem. Rohita Das, audio problem. Array, Karthik, good. Same problems are Likita, all okay, audio problem. Call someone, guys. These people won't change to Zoom. Guys, wait for a few minutes. Audio problem. Is everything good? Okay, let's get into the subject then. Yes, boss. Now let's see what we can do. I think we are trying to sort the records based on multiple properties, right? File, open it. Spring Boot data JPA, paging and sorting repository. Paging and sorting repository. I think ID is also ready. Okay, earlier it is called on single property only. Okay, now let me call on multiple properties. What's the other one we want to call? Expert. In which order you want to get the record? Ascending order I want to get the record. That's great. In which order you want to get the record? Ascending order I would like to get the record. Yeah. Come to main class and run the application. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. So this is how we have to think about the things or not, guys. Perfect. But now you see the output. Look at the output of the record. Amar, but first dental doctor has come, then ortho doctor has come. Based on two properties, it is sorting, my dear. Okay, that's good. So when first by first property, if any same data is there, then it brings second property into picture. Like this, you can pass any number of properties because we have taken that one as a varrox. Okay, now that is about sorting. Sorting is very simple, boss, nothing else. Or having entire information, you have to pass what object? Sort object. Here is my what? Pagination. The process of displaying huge number of records page by page is called pagination, and it is very useful in report generation process. Gmail inbox, sales report, product catalogs, and etc. Okay, find all is the method, guys. What is the method? Find all. Okay, pageable object needs inputs, pagination related inputs. And once we get the records of that page, they come and store into page object. Pageable for inputs, page is the output. Okay. But this pageable needs two information. Which page records you want to get? Which page? First page number. Then what is the size of the page? In each page, how many records you want to get? Suppose there are 20 records totally. I have chosen page size as 5 and I asked for first page record. What happened? Here page index starts with 0. First means second. Second means what? 1 to 5. 1 to 5 first page. 6 to 10 second page records will come or not, guys. So right now you will get second page record. In what form? Page object. So what page object contains? Not only that page record and metadata about that page. Current page number, total number of pages. Is that first page or not? Is it last page or not? Like this metadata will be there or not there, guys. So for find all method, pageable provides the inputs. Which page number? What is the page size? Interesting thing is, if there are 20 record, page size is 7, it only decides there should be 3 pages total. 20 by 3, how much? 6 point something, but decimal page numbers will not be there, na? 3 pages. 3 pages. First page 7 record, second page 7 record, third page only 6 record. Third page is what? Only 6 record. Are you getting my point there, guys? Third page is what? Just 6 records. Okay. So if I ask for 0th page, first 7 records will come. First page, 7 to 14 records will come. Third page, 15 to 20 records will come. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Gmail inbox, sales report, product catalog, Google search results. Google search results. Everywhere we are working with the pagination or not, guys. Takes page number 0 based, page size, number of records in each page as the input in the form of pageable object and returns page object having multiple details like requested page record, total page count, current page number, total records, and etc. Page object means it is the object of a class that implement page interface. To create these two interfaces contain multiple methods to get various details to related to pagination like page content, page number, all this stuff. It returns page object, but it is a sub interface of what? Slice object. Methods are like is first, get content, get number, is last, like this. Look at the overall conclusion. To the find all method, we are giving inputs in the form of pageable object. Say something, my dear. We are giving inputs in the form of what? Pageable object. What object? We are giving input in the form of what? Pageable object. Page number, page size. This is 0th page. This is 1 index page. Or a page size 3 means 3 page, 3 record. Page size 10 means 10 only. Okay, all the inputs are given. To whom, guys? Find all method. This gives me what object? Page object. This gives me what object, guys? Page object. In that page object, get content gives what? List of record. Get number gives current page number. Get total pages. Is first, is last. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. To create a pageable object. What object, guys? To create a pageable object, we have page request dot off method, which gives me what? current, which take page number, which page records you want, and what is the size of the page. Okay, then movie is the entity class, guys. Wait, movie report dot find all pageable. Or I am giving pageable input that gives me page object. Having requested page records or not, guys. Having requested page records or not, guys. Okay, don't worry about this. You see one output, then you will get idea. One example. But for that one, I need a huge number of records, guys. Multiple records are required. So I will. And one interesting thing is with respect to Oracle, one small problem is there. I will tell that also. Yeah. Where is this SQL developer? Where is my SQL? Here is my SQL developer. SQL developer. Okay. System Tiger. At least we'll take some 10 records so that I can take page size 3, page size 4, loading the records, guys. Okay, meanwhile, when it is busy there, eye doctor management service, eye doctor management service. Tell me, this is my public. This is my public. Tell me here, what is this? Page. It is returning page, guys. Okay. Doctor. Page doctor. Show doctor's data by page number. Into page number, comma, into page size. Into page number, comma, page size. Zero based index. We are asking first page means it is actually second page. Okay. Okay. Control plus shift plus O. Which page? Spring related page only, not Hibernate page. We need to implement this method, my dear, now. Okay. Let us think about implementing this method. Add unimplemented method. What is there, guys? Add unimplemented method. Here is the story. Add unimplemented method. First, create pageable object. What object? Pageable object having inputs. Pageable object having inputs. Tell me. Pageable. What is there? Pageable is equal to page request dot of into page number, comma, page size. But wantedly I am taking page number -1. Why? Generally, human being ask first page. They don't say 0th page. They say first page only. Right, my dear? So, but though you asked first page, we have to display 0th page. Technically, it is starting from 0, right? Okay. Okay. Pageable object has come, guys. Which pageable? Spring related pageable? This one, this page. Okay, that's great. Load the objects. Simply load the object. Tell me here, what is this? iterable, what is there guys? Iterable doctor, IT is equal to pageable dot, iterable doctor with this one, doctor repo dot, what repo dot guys? Doctor repo dot, find all pageable object, return IT. Iterable doctor IT is equal to doctor repo dot find all pageable. That's great. No, it is not iterable, guys. It actually should give me page object. Actually should give me page object. Return page. That's it. Return page. Okay. In our style, we have to go to runner here. As usual, we have to go to runner. Sorting related, everything is done. And while creating pagination, we can go for sorting also. That I will discuss later. Pagination and sorting can be together, clubbed together. Right, guys. Page doctor, page is equal to, page doctor, page is equal to doc service dot show doctor's data by page number. I'm asking first page. Page size I am taking 3. I'm asking first page. First means 0th page. Though I passed 1, it internally becomes 0 na boss. Okay. Okay. Right. Doctor. Where is this guys? Page doctor page is equal to doc service dot show doctor's data by page number 1 comma 3. Show doctor's data by page number 1 comma 3. Super guys. Here list doctor, what is there? List doctor list is equal to page dot, what is there? Get content. We are going to get all the list of doctors over there or not there. List dot for each doc system dot out dot println doc. Here is my what? Exception E. E dot print stack trace or not, guys? E dot print stack trace or not, guys? Okay. Here we can display one message also using that page object. System dot out dot println records of page dot get number. Get number means current page number. Okay. For display purpose slash array 1 by 4, 2 by 4 like plus page dot get total pages. Records of page dot get number slash page dot get total pages. Are you getting my point? Page dot get total pages. Exception E, and this is there we are. But one technical problem is there that we have to respect now. What is that you know? Right now we are using Spring Boot 3.x. It generates the query according to latest Oracle version 19C, 21C. But in my system, I have only 11G. Whatever query that is generated is not compatible to execute in what? 11G. That's why pagination fails in Oracle. Not because problem is there, because we are using lower version of Oracle. Every batch, I think I should change my next batch, but same batch, same version is continuing. So actually, if you are having Oracle 19C, 12C, it will work. But I have 11G, the generated query is according to what? Latest version of Oracle. That's why you will get error, but no problem. We'll try to put the data in MySQL and I'll show pagination there. I'll show pagination there. It happen, definitely it happens, boss. Input is what? Pageable object having page number and page size. What is output? Page object. Not only that page record, it also contains a lot of metadata about that page now, my dear. Okay. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Okay, that's great, guys. Now you run the application. We are getting error in Oracle. Why? Because the generated query is not compatible. So what should I do? I have to change my database to MySQL. For that one, if you go to previous project, there we have MySQL entries also, my dear. Yeah, definitely MySQL entries are there. Copy this. Next. Copy this. Tell me. Eye doctor management service. No. Paging and sorting repository. No. Application dot properties. Here you kept what? Paste. Done. You enable. You change the dialect according to Oracle. Oracle. Here, what is this? MySQL 8 dialect. What dialect, guys? MySQL 8 dialect. Driver class name is commented, optional, but fine, no problem. Okay, this is done. But unfortunate news is there is no data in MySQL because yesterday only we call delete all method, right? Yesterday in front of you people, I call delete all method or not, guys. MySQL workbench here, guys. MySQL workbench here. We need some data, boss. We need some data, no doubt in that. Let's see how to handle that data. This is my what? Connection one. This is my connection one. Okay. This is my connection one. Here are my what? Tables. Tables. Our logical database is different now, ours. What's our logical database? 515 DB tables. Where is this? JPA underscore doctor select rows, no records. But urgently let me keep some records, guys. Raja, doctor, acha, doctor address Hyderabad, Raja, doctor expertise, cardio, doctor fee, 1,000 rupees. Okay. Once you say refresh, remaining records will come because it is having auto increment. No, this is not having auto increment. Let me put that name. Number two, tell me next one. Hyderabad, Ramesh. Okay, Ortho. What is the fee, guys? 1,000. Number three, Delhi, Suresh. Okay, what is this? Dermatology. Fees is what? 400. Number four, yeah, tell me next one. Hyderabad, Delhi, what is next? Bangalore. Hmm. Karan. Karan, what is that, guys? Dental doctor. Price is 900. Number five, okay, Suresh, not Suresh. Vizag, Vizag. Mahesh, yeah, what is there? Ortho, what is there, guys? 800. Say apply, say finish. Tell me, guys, what is there here? Put JPA pros paging and sorting repository application. That's good. Put data JPA paging and sorting repository application. Here is 126, guys. Vizag here. Apply this. We change it to MySQL. See, same code will run in MySQL. I asked for first page. That means 0th page. Though there are 6 records, since I asked page size as 3, first 3 records only will come now, my dear. It will give me first 3 records. I'll talk more on this. Ortho spell mistake. How does it matters now? How does it matter, Sankit? Data is data, na? 0 by 1. Okay, actually get number is also giving having that get number also giving based on what? Index only. Let's see, guys, here. It's working good, but only the problem is get number is also giving 0 based index. Let's make it as what? Page number, get number plus 1. Okay, then it's going to give me first 4 records or not, guys. Run as Java application, guys. Yes, we are first 1 by 2. Total 2 pages. In that one, first page records we are getting. Okay, this time let me ask for second page. Second page. Okay, second page. First page 3 records. Next page 3 records will come here or not, guys? Next page 3 records will come here. Yes, boss. Let's have a look. Okay, maybe 5 records are there. Only 2 records are left. They are coming, boss. Yeah, this is the one way of doing pagination. There are a lot of improvisation on it. Okay. You work with Arkil 19C, 20C or 12C. In Arkil also we can feel the pagination. Is that good, guys? But it is not over. Many things are there to see with respect to pagination that I will take up when we meet in what? Tomorrow's class. Tomorrow I will complete paging and sorting repository because only two methods are there in that. And I'll introduce JPA repository. First focus is completing only predefined methods. Then we will go for custom method. Custom methods are quite interesting, guys. This is 7 a.m. Yeah. Natraz here. What's the next thing, guys? Natraz here. Where is this? 5:30 p.m. na? Yes. Spring Boot data JPA. Here is what? File upload. Saturday common topic morning 7:15 a.m. That is on Spring Boot mail. That is on Spring Boot mail. Here is Spring. What's the number? 515. Scroll up also you are telling a